air. So you just have to keep your ears like this. So you can feel a form of air in a scale. When you like change places, you can feel the air sounds in different scales. So with this instrument, you just have to place your ears to the gaps and feel the sound. Okay, next one. Made out of aluminium, which produces the ohm sound and the vibration. So if you want, you can close your eyes to feel the sound. So yeah, you can come more bit this side. So in SVARAM we have like 4 different types of xylophone, which is made out of aluminium, stone, glass and then wood. So this is the aluminium one. So just play your music here, okay? Next one. Go into the center. Yeah. Some like 2 members can stand on top of the stone, the other can just make a circle. Yeah, there's like a lot of spaces. So this one is called spinner. So spinner has like 2 ways to play this. First, spin it. You can hit it one by one, or you can just place the mallet on top. So with this instrument, you see a black thing on top, which is made out of rubber. So if that touches, it makes good sound. But if the under part, this touches, it makes metallic sound. So while playing, if you're making a metallic sound, that means you're making a damage. You see some black dots. So if metal sound comes, that means there is a damage happening like this. So if metal sound touches, take out the mallet and try to place the black thing only on top perfectly, okay? Next one. So this is bow harp, a string instrument where you have to plug the strings one by one gently and slowly. So the gentle brings the pleasant sound. If you plug it hard, this is the sound. It makes over vibration, which even the string can cut down. So you have to plug it softly and gently. So the sound has to be pleasant towards everyone, the person who is playing, the people who are walking, towards everyone the sound has to be pleasant. Okay? Next one. Get closer, get closer. So this one is called spiral storm drum, which brings you the storm sound obviously. So without pulling the spiral down, don't pull it down, just twist the spiral clockwise or anti-clockwise, any direction, just twist it. So when you feel the tide from the spiral, you just have to release it. Okay, now get closer, come closer, come closer. Get under the instrument, okay? Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. So in the bamboo grove, you just have to walk through one by one each at a time, so you can get some adventurous feel walking with the bamboos. And we added some precautions which add up some more sounds to the bamboo. The reason one at a time, because when one person walks through entirely, the bamboo will swing front and back. So the next person have to wait until the bamboo settles down so they can't get hurt. Okay? So now you can walk. And make sure your glasses doesn't get hit with the bamboo, okay? Right, that's all. So we'll go on with the next one. So this is a tap tong which is made out of granite. It's like just you have to tap onto the gaps. So just like playing it drums. And this one is listening here. So this is the instrument for the distance communication. So we have a point here, you see a point here, and there is a point on the right side. You see the right side point there, and a point on the left side. So 3 points are connected together, which is like a walkie-talkie. You just have to talk from all the 3 sides. Talk and listen. That's the only thing with this one. Yeah? Next one.
Talk and listen.
So this is a tap tong which is made out of plastic PVC. So in the stone one you can tap as fast as you can, but in the plastic you have to tap it gently and properly, otherwise the PVC can break easily. Yeah? Next one. So this is sound balance, which is literally like a maze game. First thing, you have to leave your shoes and footwear down, so you see the ball inside. So you have to balance the ball with your weight. And the same ocean sound method is underneath also, so you can feel ocean sound while balancing this. So this is the starting point. So from here you have to bring the ball here. So that's a full round, and the capacity holds up to 300 kgs. Even like 2 person can play as a pair at the same time. But make sure no footwear is on top, okay? So this is game is like played to test your focus and patience, how focused you're like playing and making it quick. If you're in a very rush, you can't even like make it to the first step. So take your time and play this slowly, okay? A granite version of xylophone, which is called lithophone. So while playing, make sure you play in the center and not on the edges. Yeah. Where you just have to gently touch them. You have to grab it together, give a small twist, and then you should move it. Next one. So this is called hanging bowls, which is made out of aluminium. So this represents the temple bell sound. So you have to grab it together, and then you have to swing it gently. So this is ringing stone, so you have to collect the pebbles from the ground and you just have to put it inside. And that thing is a gong which is made out of granite, but the thing is it's not fixed properly and it's in a worse condition. So no, please nobody don't go there, okay? So we'll just finish the tour with the stones. So for the sonic stones, first thing is you have to remove rings from your fingers and then wet your hands. So after wetting it, just touch your hands, palms and everything. If it's oily or moisture, it won't work. So after wetting it, rub your hands like this. So this is a process which makes your hand oil free. So after rubbing it, wet your hand another time. So there are like 3 different stones. 3 stones are done in different ways. Come a bit more closer. Okay. So place your hands on 2 sides, rub it slowly. This one from the starting. And the third one. So this one you have to do it upside down like this. Okay. So now the tour is over. So now you have like 25 minutes to explore on your own. So for the people who came from Visitor Center, if you want to buy any instrument, first you can go buy and then you can come and take your time here, okay? Because if you want to go in the last moment, the bus won't be waiting for you, okay? That's up to your choice. Now you have your time, okay?
The cymatics you don't